welcome to Maymay's World of Fun, and I got my friend. So let's do Ranger Tumbles.
You look ready for an adventure.
If we want pizza, we may need to take it ourselves. Ranger Spritz set up a cooking oven for us, but it's in a weird spot. Can you get cooking? Okay, now follow me. Oh, we go right here. Follow me. I'm gonna wait for you. Oh no! It's in the role play corner. The cat outfit was there. Because I could climb. Let's get out of this outfit. Yeah, it's too tight. That outfit.
Amazing!
Nice cooking. Grab some pizza slices for yourself and come back to me. Let's get some pizza slices. Hold on. Let's go back. Where are you? Oh, you're chilling at the beach with the roleplay corner and with that yummy pizza. So delicious. Oh, that's the boost to make me faster.
Well.
Hot and ready, crab and free. It's my favorite flavor, Zepperoni. Thanks for Pizza Month Cheesy. Let's see the mail. Hi, Maymay. The crabs and I worked out kinda a truce. There was lots of pizza pointing and clicking. We decided more pizza sharing, less pinching. Thanks for your help in ranger training. Adventure Pass. Dear Adventure, special delivery, extra supplies for the pizza month. Good luck, the Dojo Islands Adventure Crew. Where's the new block? Pizza! We have a pizza block. We need to buy all of that pizza block. Let's get the pizza. Oh, there's no pizza blocks right here. It's probably out there. And the pizza. We need that pizza to get more pizza. Because we're going to need pizza for the pizza block. Pizza, build a cheesy house, and then to eat, you need a snack. Okay, now let's eat the pizza. Let's try it in our house. We should try the pizza block. With the music note. The first, put pizza block down, and then music note. And then we get up right here, and then we jump. Oh, it burnt because you ate all the pizza. Okay, let's do it again. It's funny. Wait, let's make this a bit better looking. Oh no. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we could find a place. We should put it on top of there, but then they will make the grass blocks. How about we should place the music right here. So put pizza and brick No, not glass. I meant music note. And then now we could add, wait, no, pizza and black. Here, come on, get on. Get on! Okay, maybe it was like the brick. And then now we add the maybe black and white, and then maybe we could add this. Okay, let's do just pizza. It's funny. Burping time. I know. It's okay. Let's get right back up. Wait, let's make some special music. We should do pink and light pink. But I don't have any light pink anymore. I only have one. Purple, blue. What about purple? We should make some better music. Orange, blue, and then add pizza. Oh no! And I accidentally deleted. Add some. I think it was orange, right? Oh no, it's blue. Okay, and then we add yellow, and then another pizza, and then wait, maybe add something else without Spike. Let's get up. So maybe we do this. And then you bounce. It's funny. Maybe we should add a different one. Maybe red, blue, and then maybe instead of the brick, we add a pink block. Oh no. No, I gotta fix this. Okay. Maybe pink. Wait. I couldn't actually make... Wait, let's make a sound. But I already did that. We should do water. And like swamp water. And then this. And then now let's jump. Oh no, I forgot music note. Whoa! I got some extra music here. Friend, where are you? Let me fall down. There you are. Hello. Here, let's get a roleplay corner. This is gonna be in 7 days. They're gonna build it. Hello. Okay. Wait. This should be our vacation. Yeah, we're going on vacation. Come on, guys. This is our hotel. Yep, we're right here. But we need money for the snacks. But maybe we could go to the kitchen. And this is our bed. Let's read some books. You also got the book. Oh, you're in your... Wait, I'm purple. No, these are my pajamas. Wow, bouncy bed. I love bouncing on it. You put all the books back. Let's eat something, but we have to pay money. Don't worry, I'll pay. There we go. Now we gotta eat it. Tasty. Delicious. Oh, we eat it all. It's okay. Let's go to bed. Shh. I'm bouncing at the bouncing bed. Help! I'm bouncing at the bouncing bed. Help me! I can't stop. It's so bouncy. Help! It's a little fun while I'm scared. Let's get out of these pajamas. We are staying there only for 1 night. Now let's change into some different clothes. Let's change into these clothes. What about a hat? All done. Okay, now we are ready to go. Oh well, I don't know what to do in this town, but we will have some breakfast. We're a chef. Let's cook some breakfast since no one's there. Cook. Chop all of this up. And wash the fruits. We need to wash the fruits first. Then chop. Now we can eat it. Let's get out of this chef outfit. Wow. Even got some bread. I mean pancakes. Now see. Let's eat all of this. It's so good. So good. Is it good? Oh no, the wind is blowing me to the ocean. Help me. Help. The wind is blowing me to the ocean. Help. A tsunami's coming. Help. What happened? Hello? This is weird. Where am I? Oh, I forgot I was in here. Oh, Shiplin, come back! Oh, I can't go there. Let me jump up. Come here. Okay, we're here. Okay, bye guys. That's it for all. Oh no! Help me! I fell into the ocean. Oh. Well, it's time to say goodbye and bye-bye, little turtle. Goodbye.